guys, welcome to Random Fandom. Today, I'll be showing you how to manage your playlist using TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is a free browser extension for YouTube to help you manage your channel, and one of the features it has is the ability to manage your playlist. So if you go here, you see they have these playlist actions. And those playlist actions are limited on the free tier. You can only use standard or miscellaneous ordering options, nothing advanced. But on the star or higher license, the pro or higher license, you can get more features. I have the star license for 7 days because I did a survey. So that's something that you could do, is you could get TubeBuddy for free, and then if you can't afford to pay the license costs subscription, you can just get a free sponsored upgrade by like doing a survey or whatever, as you'll be able to see here soon. When I go back to my homepage, you can see that I got a 7-day free star license for completing a survey. So you can do that, access all the features that I'm about to use completely for free, and help improve your channel. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to head over to your YouTube studio after you install the extension, of course, and log in with your YouTube account. Go to playlist, and then you can select your playlist, and you can do things with this TubeBuddy button. So like, for example, you can change the video order to be sorted by like your average view time, your average view percentage, comments, likes, shares, or subscribers gained. I'll go ahead and do that, and I will remove the private and deleted videos. So yes, you can see there are a lot of options here that you may not get inside of YouTube. And I'll just let it go through and process all of my videos inside my playlists here. So instead of the normal chronological order that I had, I'll be sorted by better analytics, basically. Of course, for 243 videos, maybe this would take a while, but there you go. Of course, like I said before, the link to get TubeBuddy is in the description. You can get it for free, and then you can get a free upgrade by if you want those sponsor upgrades, or you can just pay for it if you have the money. There's no reason not to install TubeBuddy. It's a pretty good tool. Even the free tier is decent. You can use things like a thumbnail editor, a tag editor, all that sort of stuff. Now we can refresh the page. And we'll do the same for this list over here. Instead of view or watch time, maybe I'll go for subscribers gained on this one. And then I'll also remove the private and deleted videos too. I'm just going to go through and I'll just edit just the public playlist. The others I'll just leave alone. On this one, I'll go ahead and sort it. Let's see. Sort by watch time. Delete the private deleted videos. There you go. It's already done. Shorter playlists take shorter to do. We'll also do this sort of thing to playlist over here. Sort this one by subscribers gained and remove anything that's private or deleted. And there you go. Now I've already taken care of these playlists. Let's go ahead and select one of these playlists. So like this one here, for example. And we'll show you what YouTube lets you do for sorting. You have the ability to sort by dates, basically, or most popular. Whatever most popular means, who knows. If you're needing a specific thing for your channel, maybe you want to do that. But there you go. All the videos on here have been sorted out. And as you can see, typically my older, worse quality videos are the last ones, and then my better videos are a bit higher on the list. This one doesn't belong here for... I'll remove that. Or maybe I'm not. I'll undo that. Gotta make sure that is supposed to be. Yep, that's not mine. Okay, so remove that. There you go. That is that playlist taken care of. As you can see, not as many options as TubeBuddy. But TubeBuddy also doesn't detect whether or not you have videos from other channels, apparently. So that's something that they could add, that could improve it. Just in case you like accidentally add a video that isn't one of yours. Do that. As you can see, the TubeBuddy tool also gives you a convenient option to just jump to whatever section that you want to inside your YouTube studio. So instead of having to click here and then go to your YouTube studio, you just click here and then click on the section that you want to visit and access it that way. So that's another convenient feature of TubeBuddy. So let's go to this playlist and make sure that they're all my videos in here. Okay, so that should be pretty good right there. Now we'll go ahead and go back to the playlist and select one of the other playlists that I have. But yeah, as you can see, TubeBuddy's pretty nice. YouTube not as great, but TubeBuddy does lack a tool to help you locate, videos that aren't yours. So if you're trying to make a playlist, maybe you accidentally add a video in there that isn't one of yours. Maybe you are using a mobile app and you had to just use the playlist tool for whatever reason, and you left the box checked or whatever. You can't remove the videos that aren't yours using TubeBuddy or YouTube, so that's something for TubeBuddy to add. Okay, so that looks perfectly fine, and there you go. Yep, all of those are my videos, all sorted by the ones that did best. So that would be it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.